Nice. For Italy, right?
Yeah.
So how did you do that?
If you hit on the side, you can do the Google effects. It's like a little magic wand thing.
With the no. Oh, here it
Yeah,
is.
there it is. I like that. Should we all go to Venice today?
Yeah, we need to
Sure,
do
why not?
something. Opening Google Effects, downloading.
I like that.
Happy birthday.
Oh no, I like this one better.
So did you guys have to wait for it a bit to download something, or did it just work?
I've used it before, so it's already done it.
Hey guys, how are you today?
That's scary.
Let's see what you
Wait, since we're going to be graduating soon,
Hey, we got a baby beard.
this is awesome, dude. I can't imagine our teacher's going to like this very much, but
It's gonna be great. Gotta use our time for something. Oh, you don't like the mustache? Sorry, kiddo.
did I seriously just jack somebody up?
So,
No, I did.
how do you do the background? That's pretty sweet.
It's just one of them. You switch over.
Oh, because I'm on headwear. Oh, there's eyewear, facial
You
hair.
guys are just piling
Wow.
on stuff.
There's all kinds of stuff.
Let's keep it classy. Just a mustache, maybe a goatee. We'll even keep it BYUI approved.
Dude, this is awesome. Okay, I want to take off my headwear, my eyewear. How do you remove your eyewear?
You click on the one that you have on, or you can hit at the bottom and say remove all effects and just.
Oh yeah, there we go. I'm gonna take the dog off too. All right,
All right.
guys, I'm just going old school. I'm graduation mode right now.
Graduation speech.
You're
Yeah.
serious now.
BYUI Hawaii.
I don't mess around, guys. I don't mess around. I do travel a lot though. Do travel a lot.
That's awesome.
Very nice. All right, well, let's get started.
All right, fine. Let me get.
Let's get serious now.
How was everybody's week?
Pretty good. Yeah. Just chill.
Wow, that sounds exciting, Michael.
Yeah. I had a picnic yesterday.
Nice.
What did you guys do for Memorial Day?
I took the family to the zoo, the LA Zoo.
Oh, nice. Okay.
My son, his name is Tiger, and he literally believes that he was born in a tiger family. And so he said yesterday that we were going to see his family at the zoo.
His family.
His real family.
His real family. So it's kind of, yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to say about that, you know what I mean? So,
Uh-huh.
okay, son, sure.
Feeling a little replaced by the Tigers, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you guys all got stuff, so I got to put something on.
Yeah, there we go.
It's not the same.
It's just not the same.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, this weekend, so my dad retired.
Oh, nice.
Kind of crazy. So we had a little retirement party for him.
That's sweet. He works at what,
Did you give him one of
PH
those?
or HP?
Did you give him one of those?
Did we? No, I don't think he got a cake, actually.
Since you retired?
So how long had he been working there?
He's been there for, I think, 37 years.
Oh, wow.
You know what that means, Michael?
What does that mean?
He's got a lot of this.
I didn't know there were sound effects.
This is so cool. This is like the best kept secret ever. When we graduate, we're gonna go like this.
This adds so much pizzazz to our meetings.
It makes learning fun.
Yeah.
Oh, God. That's super funny.
All right, cool. Well, do you guys have any questions from the prep and all that stuff?
No.
I've had a really hard time turning my brain on today.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know what's going on, but
Well, we're getting close to halfway through the semester. Maybe it's taking a toll on us. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe that's what's going on.
I think it's just 3 classes are taking a toll on me, man. I'm about ready to be done, so I'm
Those last
frustrated.
few. I know. I was done like 3 weeks in the last semester.
Yeah.
We're on borrowed time now.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got approached by I told you guys about that job, right? That I got this guy in my ward that wants me to run a healthcare facility for him.
Oh yeah,
And he
yeah.
approached me his wife actually approached me on Sunday, and she's like, "So are you done with school yet? I mean, what's going on?"
Oh
And I'm
man.
like, "Ugh."
I wish I were.
Yeah, I have a year left. not that much, but it seems like it. So we'll see.
Yeah.
I just can't take you serious, Michael.
I wish I could zoom in on my picture. I really can't see myself that well.
Click on your picture and then you can go up.
That's so funny.
I mean, Bryson is his Venice mustache. You know, I'm not sure which one's.
When in Rome, or Italy, or whatever.
Yeah.
All right, let's do this thing.
Almost done?
I didn't have any questions. Did you guys have any questions?
No, I'm good.
Before we get going.
No.
Alright.
He has a little kitty cat's ready.
It's the clown man.
Oh, the clown now.
Creepy clown man.
Yeah, it is pretty creepy to be honest.
Alright, do you got your quiz open?
All
You just
right,
playing
let me
with
get
pirate hats.
Stop clowning around, huh, Michael? Jeez.
No pun intended, right? Yeah, do they have drum sound effects?
They do, actually. Hold on. Let me get to it. Where is it?
Oh, it's the wrong one.
That's like Asian drum.
There we go.
Seriously, this is the best, dude. Oh my gosh.
Alright, well I got my quiz going. I don't know what you guys are doing. But...
I know, I got mine open too. Oh, it's so funny. This is all your fault, Bryce.
I know, we're going to get like
your
5%
fault.
on this one.
All right.
Hold on, let me plug my computer in so it doesn't turn off.
Alright, let's see. Let's bring up the probability app. There we go.
Okay, so
You need to start doing it.
I'm going to go grab my calculator real quick. This little kid over the swing.
I'm wearing like a. This is me. It's just funny.
Hurry. Sorry.
There we go. Okay. I'm ready now.
That is so awkward seeing him walk around.
What's that?
Walking through the water.
Now that you can walk on water? What's the deal? You
No,
took your
mustache
mustache
keep-
off and then you just went and walked on water by the gondolas. How about
And my mustache keeps coming off.
Yeah, seriously. You gotta get some better Velcro or something, man.
Alright.
Alright, I'll read first. You guys always try to go first on me.
All right.
Go ahead.
Alright, number 3. Find the margin of error for a 90% confidence interval when the standard deviation is 50 and the n is 25. Round to the third decimal or 3 decimal places.
Okay. 1 sec.
Alright, so we're going to take 50, and the square root of 25.
All right. So I just left for a second, so I don't know if you guys were talking about it, but is this that equation where it's like you have, what is it? I don't know the new terms, that's why I'm kind of blanking out here, but
And I'm pulling it up right now too.
you have the thing times the standard deviation over m, and then you square it, and then you set that equal to n, something like that.
N equals 25. Yeah. So what is that? Standard deviation of equals 50. What's the O
Yeah.
again?
That's standard deviation.
Yeah, that's standard
Standard
deviation.
deviation equals 50 and N equals 25, round to the 3 decimal places.
Yep. And the confidence level is 90.
Oh yeah, sorry.
So then we need to find the confidence level for 90. Isn't it like 1.65 or something?
I got 1.645
Oh, okay.
for the confidence level.
Yeah, 1.645.
Yeah. Or it's 1.65. That's what he had in the videos or whatever. But I just threw it in the applet, and that's what I got.
Okay.
So basically, we just take that and multiply by 50 divided by the square root of 5, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So 1.645 times 50. I got 16.45.
Yeah, that's what I got too. What'd you get, Jason?
I'm trying to do it on my calculator right now. Stupid thing.
Yeah.
Can't figure this out. So 1.645 times 50 divided by the square root of 5, right?
Or divided by 5, yeah.
Divided by 5?
Yeah, because that's what the square root of
16.45?
Yep.
There you go.
There you go.
That's the one.
Hallelujah, iPhone.
Yeah.
Okay, should I go next?
So it'd be 16.450.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, that's right. Okay. Okay. Number 4 says, which of the following statements is true? Okay. I'm thinking. Wait, let's see. Is it this? Is it U is a point estimator for X bar? Or is it X bar is a point estimator for U?
I think it's X bar is a point estimator for U, because U is the population mean,
Right.
the actual population mean, whereas
Okay.
X bar is the sample mean.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So I think you're right.
X bar is a point estimator for U. Okay.
Yeah.
What exactly does point estimator mean? Is that like it gives you an idea of what mu really is? Is that kind of what it means, or?
Well, so like an estimator, that's what an estimator is, and then by point estimator, it's saying that it's a single value. None of these are interval estimators because that's where it would have to say that it's, plus or minus some value. So it'd have to actually give you a range. And so, like, since there are only single variables here, like U and O and X bar, those are all single like there's one number associated with them, right? But then if we did X bar plus or minus our alpha or something, then that would be an interval estimator because it's giving us a range that we're within. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Yeah.
And then the whole estimator thing is like this one is saying that this is the whole like statistic versus parameter thing.
where, yeah, no, I see what you're saying. Okay.
All right. Number 5. Gina wants to construct a 95% confidence interval for GMAT scores. She knows that the standard deviation is 113. She collects a simple random sample of size 64 and computes X bar to be 526. Use the information for questions 5 through 8. Oh, there's only 12. Sweet. What is the lower limit of this confidence interval?
Okay. So we have to first find 0.95. What is it called? The confidence interval or level is 1.96, or is that just the z-score? I don't know what they call that.
Yeah. No, the lower limit of the confidence interval, that's not just the z-score. That's where we have to do it. We actually have to multiply it out.
Right. But I mean, what do they call the do they give the z-score a new name in this equation, or is it just same old z-score?
I don't know. Let's find out.
Okay.
All right. ZK. I remember seeing this. Oh, that's too far. Interval. Yeah, I think it's, let's see. I remember seeing.
Can you guys hear that in the background?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me go shut the door. Hold on. Mom's getting her hair done, so kids are playing. Hold on.
I don't know if any of you guys got 5, but I got 498.315.
Let's see here. I was trying to find out what the Z the Z thing was, but I think they just call it the Z. I don't remember.
I guess we could just call it z-score for now.
Yeah, the Z thing. Okay. What's going on here? Alright, so the Z thing is 1.96 times, and then we had 113 as the size, and then we're just going to divide that by. So as far as our margin of error is concerned, it's 27.685. Is that right?
What is it?
I got 27.685 for the margin of error.
I didn't do the margin of error. Wait, for number 5?
Yeah, and then you would add or subtract that from 526 to get the upper and lower bound.
Okay. Okay, let me show you what I did. I did 1.96 times 113 over the square root of 64.
Yeah, that's what I was doing. That gives you 27. Well, hold on.
Yeah.
Divided by 8, right? That gives you 27.685.
Yeah. And then in this case, we're going to do 526 minus that number, and then I get 498.315.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. So minus
All right,
5.
I was halfway there.
Yep.
Okay.
So the lower limit is 498.315.
Yeah,
Sweet. And then if we add it,
and that'll be the upper.
536, then you get 553.685.
553.685. Yep.
Sweet. That'll do.
Okay. So that answers 6.
Number 7.
553.685, right? Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Yep. So there's 5 and 6. Sweet.
So, okay.
Who's reading now?
Well, I think I'm next, huh? Hold on. 553.685. All right, so number 7. What would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Gina increases the sample size?
So, I think, let's see.
Oh, I remember this. It would decrease, right?
It's
Increases and decreases, so if you...
Yeah, so if you have a larger sample size, then your margin of error decreases, right? So the range is going to get smaller. And so that's what I'm saying. The width of the confidence interval is going to get smaller as the sample size increases. Now the next one says,
yes.
what would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Gina changed to 99% confidence level? And so if you increase the confidence level, that's going to cause the width to increase.
Okay.
Now you're saying I need to have it more accurate, and so your confidence interval has to get wider so that you can say I'm 99% confident it's within this range.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So 7 is decrease, 8 is increase.
Yeah. Yep. Okay. 9 says Bright Bulb Light Bulb Company is planning a study to assess the average life expectancy of their light bulbs. They know the standard deviation is 400 hours. They want a 95% confidence interval with a margin of error of 50 hours. What sample size do they need? And then just round up to the whole number. Okay.
So this is more, let's see. Okay, so we take the z-score times the deviation divided by
the margin of error.
Wait. Yeah, divided by the margin of error.
And then square it, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I think that's right.
What's the z-score for 95 again? Is that 1.645?
Yeah,
1.96.
Oh, 1.96?
Yeah, 1.96 for 95%.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1.96.
Okay.
So that's times that. Standard deviation of 400 divided by margin of error. Now the margin of error, let's see.
Okay. Yeah, sometimes they give a large margin of error, and sometimes it's like
Okay, yeah, that's right.
less than 1. So for this one, I got 246.
Yep. That's what I got as well. And it says round to the nearest whole number. Sweet.
Can you what's up?
I know you didn't say that. I really want that.
Yeah.
So
Okay, we will in a minute. Can we do it when I'm done with my class, please?
when?
In lab.
All right.
you shut the door, baby? Please. Sorry.
10?
Yeah.
My turn?
Sure, you go ahead.
The mean salary of actuaries is U equals 100,000, and the standard deviation is 36,730. You are interested to know if the mean salary for women actuaries is different from the population mean, but are not sure if it is higher or lower. You set up a hypothesis test with level of significance of A equals 0.05. And, okay, so 100,000, or is it okay, it's equal to 100,000, and then the other one is
Not equal.
not equal to 100,000. You collect a simple random sample of n equals 36, women's salaries, and find that the x bar is 111,000. Use this information for questions 10 through 12. What is the lower limit of 95 confidence interval?
Okay.
Let's see, sample size. Okay. So we'd just find the
lower.
Yeah, what's the word I'm looking for? Why can I not remember words today? Margin of error. So we'd find the margin of error and then add and subtract from the mean. So the lower limit would be that plus. Now we use the salaries that they found when they did it with the women's salaries, right?
I think so.
Yeah, you collect a simple random sample, women's salaries, and find that the x bar is 111,000. Mean salary is 100,000. Standard deviation of 36.
What do you guys think? Is this the right equation to start with? I have 111,000 plus or minus 1.96 times 36,730 over the square root of 36 to find the lower limit. Is that how to go about it?
Yeah, I think that's right.
So it's 111,000
And then plus or minus
196.
or 1.96.
Yeah, 1.96. Sorry.
And then times 36,730 over the square root of 36.
Which is 6. Okay.
So I got. So you got did you get 99,002 for the lower limit?
One sec.
Oh.
Okay, so plus for the higher limit. Which one are you doing? Here, you do the lower one. Which one? Bryce, did you do the lower limit?
I did both.
What did you get for the higher?
The higher I got 122,998.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, 122,998.46666667.
Yeah.
Okay, so.
For 10, I got 99,002.
Yep,
Is that
that's
right?
what I got.
Oh, okay. And then the next one asks for the upper.
Yes. And it says round to the nearest whole number.
Oh, okay. So it'd just be 8 then. 122,998.
122,999.
Yeah, it's 46 cents, so it wouldn't go to.
So right, you're right, but with this, in the reading they said even if it's like 0.2, just round it up, like just with these. But like I know what you're saying. Usually you wouldn't round up, but with in this case it's just up.
Okay.
So is it 999?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so then the other one was 111.
Do you always round up, like even with the lower limit? I don't remember.
I think so. I mean, we can double check, but like in the video or whatever, I think he said if it's like 0.2, just round up. So.
Okay.
So the lower one was 99,000,
And then 002.
2.
Yeah. Don't put commas in.
Yeah.
Nice.
I don't know. Maybe we should make sure I'm right on that, but I think that's how it is.
I think that's right. That makes sense.
You do have a pretty good track record, so
Yeah. Let's go for it then, right?
Rounding up.
Gosh, you know what's so funny about that is that question looks really, really hard. And it's,
there's all this stuff. Yeah.
Because there's so much stuff.
Yeah.
But it's not really. You know what I mean? Like, it's interesting.
The one part that
Oh, hey.
Yeah.
In the textbook, it says when doing sample size calculations, if the answer is not a whole number, you always round up. That's only with like figuring out what your sample size needs to be.
Okay, so this is different then.
Yeah, I think so. And that makes sense, because then it's saying, well, then you'll just have, instead of having 0.2 people, you'll have a little bit extra.
But it is saying round to the whole number in the test. I mean, parentheses, it does say round to the nearest whole number.
Yeah, but if it's 0.2, then that would just be it would be 998. Is it?
So
no, it's 0.46666667. So it's 0.47, or well, it would be the 3 decimal places typically. So it'd be 0.467. But that, under 5, obviously that goes lower.
Yeah.
So 998 then?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna put 998.
Okay.
See what happens. You guys can put 999 if you want.
So this one should go to the lower one, number 10. Since it's 53, that should go to the 2.
2.
Yeah.
Okay. And so Bryce, what were you reading? It said if it's for the sample, then it's
here, I'll put it on. So I don't know if you can. How do I? Oh. How do I zoom in? You. Hey now. There it is. Good timing. Right here. It says when doing sample size calculations, if the answer is not a whole number, you always round up to the next highest whole number.
So this is gonna sound really dumb, but I'm kind of blanking out. What example? I mean, what exactly is it talking about for sample size? Like.
That's when we're doing.
Is that n? Is that when you find n?
This one. Yeah, when you're doing the square.
Wait, which one? The
number 9 on our quiz.
Oh, so that, yeah, okay.
When you're trying to find out how many surveys you have to do, it's like if you have 0.2, if you have to go get 0.2 surveys, then you really just need one more.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, so I guess if it doesn't say anything, I guess we just round as normal.
Yeah. What did we round on that one? I'm wondering if number 9's wrong now.
Let's see.
What the actual number was?
Here, I'll figure that out. 1.96 times 14. No, that one is rounded up because technically it's 245.8624.
Oh,
So
okay.
it goes to the next number.
46, yeah.
Yeah.
So we're good. Sweet. All right, number 12. We good for that?
Yeah.
All right, so there are 3 requirements that need to be checked when computing a confidence level for a mean. They are a simple random sample was drawn from the population, X bar is normally distributed, and the deviation is known.
Well, it has to be all of the above, right?
Yeah, I think it's all of the above.
Since it's asking for 3 and there's 3 listed.
Yeah, I'm
All right,
going to go
we'll
with
take
that
it.
one.
Yep.
All of the above.
Real quick, so let's see. Okay, so we're going for 11. It's 998, and I think that was it, right?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what I'm putting on.
Okay. All right. Moment of truth.
100.
Sweet.
100.
Hallelujah. I was trying to find a pirate hat, and I know this is totally not supposed to prove, but I was trying to find a pirate hat because it would be perfect with our pirate outfit.
There you go. I need glasses and an eyeglass.
Oh, that's kind of cool. You can randomize it. That's kind of
Kind
cool.
of digging the pirate hat with the glasses.
Yeah, that's a good one. What is this green thing here?
Corn. No, it's a mohawk.
Like a corn mohawk or something?
I don't know. This is fun, though.
Yeah, I like it.
What is this one? I'm an alley.
What is that?
It's me.
That was funny watching you walk across the water
Are you strong?
with no mustache. That's pretty awesome.
With a mustache. No mustache?
Yeah, your mustache is over. Your mustache is over to the side. I don't even know where my hand's at. Your mustache was like over here to the side, and then you were like all the way out. It was pretty funny. All right, guys. I'm off to the park.
Let's
with my
call it
kid.
good.
All right. See you guys.
Go
Yeah.
team.
Bye.